Minnesota is right here. Minnesota is right here in a region of the United States called the Midwest. In fact, Minnesota is in the upper part like this. What are Minnesota's nicknames? You know, you can learn a lot about a state just by looking at some of the other names that that state goes by. First is the North Star State. The second is the land of 10,000 lakes. So we're going to be looking at both of these nicknames in detail to see why Minnesota goes by these names.
I didn't know the North Star.
First, why is Minnesota called the North Star State? Well, the state motto of Minnesota is actually L'Étoile du Nord, which is French for Star of the North.
Well, here we are, right on the Minnesota line. But we're going to spend the night here, so it counts, right? South Dakota, and these hills are long draw. Got people waiting on me, and the speed limit is 80 of all things. Whoop. More beautiful country, guys. More beautiful country. Well, babe, here we are, Clearwater, South Dakota. Well, this ain't South Dakota night yet. We're gonna head east to Minnesota, catch a night there, and then we're coming back to South Dakota. And it's my first fuel up in South Dakota, and there ain't no mask in there. It's great. Oh yeah, and the speed limit's 80. The risk reward is a little different in South Dakota, but you know, 80's a little fast for me, so I just do 79. We're rolling on Minnesota. We're gonna take a right-hand turn and head east.
Don't let Gunner get into that chicken.
Yeah, don't let him have the chicken bones.
Proceed to the route.
We're headed to Minnesota for the night.
Proceed to the route.
We got 46 miles.
Proceed to the route.
What's the name of it? Ortonville?
Proceed to the route.
Hey, am I on the wrong route or what?
Proceed to the route.
Oh man, I messed something up. She's upset with me.
Yeah.
Right here, I'm proceeding to the route. I got that all wrong.
Proceed to the route.
I am! Siri!
Hell out!
The sun ain't shining.
Proceed
I
to
don't know
the
which
route.
way's up. Alright, Clear Lake. Population 1,273. South Dakota. Can't be far from Minnesota because we only got 12 miles to our next spot for the night. We're about to hit the state line, boys. We're in South Dakota. We're going to go over here and get to Minnesota. We got to get to Minnesota for the night.
In half a mile, arrive at Ortonville.
that prickly?
Yeah.
How prickly?
Very. That plant, this plant right here. Super prickly. These. They're kind of like a little mini cactus. Don't step on that, please.
Are you going down to the water, dodging the pricklies?
Yeah.
That seems a risky move, Carl. Whoa!
Dude, I stepped on a roly.
A roly-poly? A roly-poly rock or stick?
Yeah. I stepped on a stick.
Look at that pretty view. Isn't that just beautiful? You only have to do the corners.
I know, I'll do a corner, you do a corner, Carson.
Well, whoever goes second, you gotta pull it good and tight. Like, do it tight.
So they made it to the park, at the Raptor Park. Daddy, I know the right girl you, so wait for me. Okay, Daddy?
Okay, what do you say?
What?
What are you doing? Are you recording the wind?
That has like 18 inches of extension. Let's go see what Mama's doing.
What's happening? You coming in for a snack? Mom says she wants a snack.
What?
Georgia, I got Georgia on my mind.
Yeah, I want one. Daddy, how good are those?
Georgia. What?
Is that what's going down?
Hey, Carson, I need your help. What? Come on, Carson. Hurry up, this one's strong. So, right now, I'm eating. I'm watching Unspeakable. Is this supper good? Yeah. It's also very good to me.
Well, it's good morning from Minnesota. Look at this trailer. Ain't that cool? Just set the wheels down and you're done. These boys went duck hunting this morning. We just parked right here. And it's a beautiful cloudy morning. We got to plug in for power for $10. Everybody slept in. I didn't want to comb my hair this morning because I didn't want to disturb anybody. A morning like this, one wants to sleep in. Not just one, 4 slept in. You know what I mean? Land of 10,000 lakes. Minnesota. It's a beautiful picture. It's kind of the picture I got when I got here. We cheated. We just crossed the line and plugged in. Slept for the night. Now we're going to Mobridge. It has an Indian name,
but I can't even attempt that. It's Mo Bridge is about right here. Right there. And then we can go up and do that or come down and do this, but we're working our way west. Montana. It's the state I got big expectations of. You know the problem with expectations. I haven't had any expectations of these other states, and they've all been awesome. Well, gotta get on the road. I guess I'll get skinny while the boys are asleep. I might comb my hair today. Look at this, people. We're in Minnesota. I just got skinny. Car's back there eating breakfast. But look at this. Look at the mileage. 4,999.6. I'm gonna hit 5,000 pulling over to the dump station. 131
miles.
5,000 miles. And we're just now headed west. You know where we're going now?
Where?
We're going to Mo Bridge, South Dakota. It's a little bit north, but right in the middle. I think Gunner found a fly. You see a fly?
Gotta keep on moving.
Is there a fly in here? He don't like flies. Oh, I think he's
Gunner is the warm.
Oh,
It's not a fly.
it's it's a little winged something. You want to get him?
Thick is Cody.
Wait, he got his eye on a bug. See if I can-
He's got his eye. Gonna say hi.
Alright, we rolling out.
Daddy, tell us Mama's name.
Miss Sabrina.
No,
What?
Joe Mama.
Oh,
Like you said.
Joe Mama.